Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In today's video, we'll explore risks in international finance, currency and exchange rate fluctuation. Do you want to understand how exchange rate change can impact global business? Let's dive in. International financial management comes with its fair share of risks, and one of the most significant is currency risks. Currency risks arise from fluctuation in the exchange rates between different national currencies. These risks can directly affect the profitability and financial stability of companies operating internationally. For example, if a US company does business in Europe and the value of the euro drops against the US dollar, the revenue generated in euro will be worth less when converted back into US dollar. This can reduce the company overall profit margin. Similarly, business in emerging markets are especially vulnerable to exchange rate volatility. So, what types of risks are associated with currency fluctuation? Let's break them down into three key categories. First, transaction risks. This arises when a company conducts international transactions, such as importing or exporting goods, and the exchange rate fluctuates between the time the transaction is agreed upon and when the payment is made. For example, if a company in the US agrees to buy product from a supplier in Japan, but by the time the payment is made, the yen has strengthened against the dollar, the cost of the product will increase. Second, operational risks. This refers to the longer-term impact of currency fluctuation on a company operation. Companies with foreign subsidiaries or that rely on international sales may face increased costs or reduce revenue if exchange rates move unfavorably. For example, a European company selling goods in Asia may see lower profit margin if the euro strengthens against the local Asian currency. Third, economic risks. This type of risk involves the broader, long-term impact of exchange rate movement on a company competitive position. If a country's currency becomes significantly stronger, it can make that country export more expensive and less competitive in global market, while import may become cheaper, affecting the company market share. Now that we understand the different types of currency risks, how can companies manage and protect themselves from the fluctuation? One of the most common methods is hedging. Hedging involves using financial instruments to offset the potential losses from currency fluctuation. One of the most popular tools in the forward contract. With a forward contract, a company can lock in a change rate for a future debt, protecting themselves for any adverse movement in the currency market. For example, if a US company has a contract to receive payment in euro in 3 months, they can enter into a forward contract to exchange those euro into US dollar at a set rate regardless of how the euro moves against the dollar. Another hedging tool is currency option, which give the company the right or but not the obligation to buy or sell currency at a predetermined exchange rate on a future date. This allows companies to protect against unfavorable exchange rate movement while still benefiting from favorable changes. Let's look at a real-world example. Companies like Microsoft and Coca-Cola, which operate globally, are constantly exposed to currency risks. Microsoft, for example, generates a significant portion of its revenue from outside the US. With the US dollar value constantly fluctuating, the company may use forward contract or option to protect itself against potential loss in foreign exchange. In fact, many multinational cooperation with global supply chains and international customers not agent in hedging to minimize the financial impact of currency movement. This allows them to focus on running their business without worrying about sudden currency shifts. So, to summarize, currency fluctuations are one of the most significant risks companies face when operating internationally. This risk can impact everything from day-to-day transactions to long-term profitability. However, with the right strategies such as hedging, through forward contract or option, company can manage the risk effectively. Understanding currency risk and knowing how to protect against it is vital for any business with global operation. By doing so, they can reduce the negative effect of exchange rate movement and maintain their competitive edge in the international market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more video on international finance. I see you in the next video. Bye.